So here's our answers to the little, is it proportional or not, and then why. So for the graph, no, it was not proportional because it did not go through our 0, 0 right there. Okay, so I put the line does not go through the origin, or you would have been fine if you put 0, 0. Then for the table, we said yes because of two reasons, actually. You could have put any of these two, but for the sake of the notes, I need to make sure that you're putting both of the reasons why. So the reason why it is proportional is because you see the 0, 0 coordinate right here. So it says the table goes through the origin, aka 0, 0. And make sure you have this part written if you didn't already. We get the same answer when we divide 25 over 5, 50 over 10, and 75 over 15. Okay, all those will wind up giving us our the same answer of 5. All right, so take this, put it in hamburger style. Make sure this is, I think, page 36 of your notes, and call it proportional relationships. Make sure it's glued in. And then on, on this table, on this paper, they want you to be able to compare proportional versus non-proportional equations, tables, and graphs, and then just make observations about them. So what do you notice between a proportional and a non-proportional equation, table, and graph? So what's the differences between them? And the tables, graphs, and equations that you're going to use are these. So you're going to have to cut these out with some scissors, okay? Cut each of them out where you see the dotted lines. You can throw this piece away because it's not important. And then make sure that you paste them in the correct boxes. So for an equation, you need to make sure out of these two equations, you paste the one that's proportional right here, the one that's not proportional right there. For the tables, you have to make sure that you paste the table that's proportional here and the table that's not proportional right there. And then for the graphs, you have to make sure that you paste the graph that is proportional here and the one that's not proportional there, and then tell about them, the difference between those two. You do not have to do the last question though. Do not worry about that, okay? And then turn it into the basket. Make sure your name's on it.